Hello, James Grady here from internetbizuni.com, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you a way to increase your sales that your competitors aren't even aware of, or if they are aware of it, they're currently sleeping on it and they're not taking action. And in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can start taking action and start increasing your sales with this method from today onwards. There's a saying that goes something like, the one who can acquire a customer for the lowest cost wins. And that saying is true, because the biggest reason for businesses going out of business is that their cost of customer acquisition goes too high. And there is a simple reason for this. There is a simple reason why some businesses go out of business, because their customer acquisition costs are too high. And that is because they get stuck in their ways. They don't move on to the new marketing channels that become available to us all. So I'll give you an example, and this example ties in with the way that I'm going to explain to you how to increase your sales. And that is, I'm going to use the example of email. If you started using email back in the mid to late 90s, you would be able to get people to sign up for your email list for an extremely low cost, because this was new to people. People didn't really know what they were signing up for. The average person, they weren't sure. So they just signed up. Then you could market to this person from there on. Once you had their email address, you could let them know about future promotions. You could let them know all about your company. And this would allow you to build a big business. For example, Amazon use this. Amazon are extremely good at using new marketing channels, and using new marketing channels allows you to keep your customer acquisition low, because what you're getting is the benefit of using a channel that all of your competitors aren't already using. Once all of your competitors start using it, this market gets saturated and you are competing for the audience's attention, so to speak. So you're competing against your competitors to get people to sign up for your list. As well as this, once they sign up for your email list, you're competing against your competitors for them to actually open your email. And that is why you should always stay ahead of the game and look for new ways to market your products that your competitors aren't already using. And that's what I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you one of these in this video today. But first, I want to explain to you why the trainers are still out on the table. So I've set up a giveaway, and to enter the giveaway, you simply have to comment on my video and subscribe to the channel. Once you have subscribed to the channel and commented on a video, you're in the draw to win the whole bundle here on front of me. But if you want additional chances to win the bundle, if you comment on each video between now and whenever I hit 15,000 subscribers, that's when I'm going to do the giveaway, then you will be entered in more times for each comment that you leave on each separate video. So please leave a comment below this video, and you can use it to ask any questions you want of me if you do have questions, or simply just to say hello. But once you leave a comment, you will be entered in the draw. And there was another reason why I left them out, and that is because Gary Vee is in London next week on Tuesday and Wednesday, and I'm going to his event. So I've set up a free meetup group for anyone who wants to meet up while at the event. I've set it up over on meetup.com, but I will leave a link below. If you're an e-commerce seller or an Amazon FBA seller and you want to meet other Amazon FBA and e-commerce sellers, including myself, then drop down to the link below and add your name to the meetup group. And after you add your name, please let us know in the meetup group if you are attending, so that we'll know to meet you at the event and we can make arrangements to meet you at the event. As well as that, I have a link below that you can purchase your tickets for the events off. This is an affiliate link, and I do make a small commission if you purchase through my link. But now I'm going to jump straight back into this video and give you the method that you can use to increase your sales for an extremely low cost today and have a massive advantage over your competitors, because you are getting in at this early stage. And the method that I'm talking about is Facebook Messenger. So if you've watched a few of my videos in the past, you'll have heard me talk about it. Facebook Messenger is a new platform. It's very similar to email, but it's an app that integrates with Facebook. But again, it is a totally separate app, and there is hundreds of millions of daily users a day using this Messenger app. So all you need is a Facebook account, and then you can set up this Messenger app. So most people have it on their phone today. And that is the first reason why Messenger is so good and why you should be using it for increasing your sales today. And that is because everyone has the app on their phone. Whereas today, everyone isn't checking their emails multiple times a day. Some people are, like if you work in an office environment, you are, but if you're not reliant on email, you're not constantly going in, checking your email 24/7. And even when you do, you're not constantly reading through every email you get. Whereas with Messenger, from the stats that I'm seeing on the campaigns that I've ran, people are doing that. Like I'm getting an open rate of 95% on messages that I send out. And it's much easier to get people to sign up for your Messenger list today than it is to get them to sign up for your email list. And that is for the simple reason that people know what they're signing up for when they're signing up for your email address. People don't want to be bombarded with, hundreds of emails a day. They've been getting this for the last few years, so they know what's coming. The more companies they sign up with, the more of these emails they're going to be getting. And people don't want this. Whereas with Messenger, it's new. And not many businesses are actually selling through Messenger yet. And that is why it's a massive advantage for you to get started building your subscriber list with Facebook Messenger today and start learning how to maximize the potential of this platform and increase your sales using Messenger today, because starting now will give you a massive advantage over your competitors, because your competitors more than likely aren't using it. And you should definitely take advantage of this, because when all of your competitors start using it, which I'm sure they will do in time, then it will be much harder to get people to subscribe to your Messenger list and to open your messages when you send them out, because eventually it will go like email. But today that's definitely not the case, and you can grow a massive list in a short period of time and actually get your messages read, which again isn't what's happening with email today. Email still works, but your open rates are going to be around about 30%. And it's much harder to get people to give you their email address today than it once was. Compare it with Messenger, people will sign up for your Messenger subscriber list very easy today. Another reason why you should start using Messenger to increase your sales is because there is a rumor at the moment that they're going to integrate Facebook Messenger a lot better with Instagram. And this definitely will be the case in the future, because if you think about it, Facebook owns Instagram. It also owns Messenger. Facebook's aim is to keep you for as long as possible on these three apps. And they know the longer you stay on one of the apps, the more bored you're getting of it. So if they can, push you around through their different apps, this is what Facebook wants, because they're keeping you on their apps. And that is what Facebook is after, because the more time you spend on their site, the more money that they get from advertisers. So it does make sense that they're going to integrate Facebook Messenger a lot better than it's already integrated with Instagram. And once they do this, it's going to explode. Everyone is going to know about it, and a lot more of your competitors are going to start using it. But again, you can get ahead of them by building your subscriber list now and start building a relationship with the people that you get on your subscriber list from now, so that you get the head start over your competitors. And this will allow you to acquire your customers for a much lower cost than them. So you're probably wondering now, how do you do it? And the way that I do it is I use a software called ManyChat. ManyChat is basically like an email subscriber list, but for Messenger. So if you already collect email addresses and send out, bulk emails, you probably use a service like Aweber or MailChimp or one of these services. Well, ManyChat is the same sort of thing, but for Messenger. And it is fairly straightforward to set up. You just link ManyChat with your Facebook business page, and then you can create broadcasts from there. You can set up automated messages that go out when someone subscribes to your list. You can leave little buttons down at the bottom of it so that people see what products you're selling, and this will increase your sales, because as I said earlier many times in this already, people are reading your messages. This is the big thing. This is why you have to get started with this now, is when people get a message, it notifies them that they have a message, and they're actually going up, clicking on it and reading through the message. They're seeing the buttons that are there. They're seeing whatever products you're trying to sell. And even if you just go ahead now and set up your ManyChat account and link it with your Facebook page, for now that's okay. At least you're just getting started. Or what's even more powerful today is when you're collecting email addresses, to also leave a link that will allow them to sign up for your Facebook subscriber list as well, so that once they click subscribe to your email list, they can then go ahead and subscribe to your Facebook list. And again, they do this very easy by just clicking on the link, and if they're signed into Facebook, that's it, they're signed up. So it's an extremely easy way to get subscribers onto your Facebook Messenger list. And then you can send future broadcast messages out to them, so that literally one message out to thousands of people. And this is the best way to increase your sales quickly. So if you have a product launch, this is the product launch strategy that I give inside the Unique Private Label course. I literally show you how to set all this up. I show you the different areas inside ManyChat, how to integrate it with your page, how to get subscribers onto your list, and everything that you need to know about it. And this is why, is because it's the best way to launch your products, because people are seeing it. Once they sign up for your list, again, you can get them to sign up extremely easy, but once they do sign up, they are seeing the messages that you send out to them. So on the day of your launch, you let them know that your launch is on today. And again, on day 2 and day 3 of your launch, you can let all of your subscribers know that your launch is on. And I show you how to set all of this up inside the Unique Private Label course, because it's such a powerful way to launch your products onto Amazon. And that's for the simple reason that you can send out a broadcast to 1,000 people, and 990 of these people are going to see the message that you send them. Combining the two, getting their email address and getting them to sign up for your messenger list, is the most powerful way, because they're definitely going to see it when you are having your product launch. So I will leave the link below to the Unique Private Label course, and you can check that out. See, when you click on the link, you'll see all the different videos you get inside. But basically, I show you step by step how to set all of this up. But even if you don't go ahead and purchase it, I advise you to go ahead and at least set up your ManyChat account now and integrate it with your Facebook page, because doing this will allow you to get a massive advantage over your competitors who aren't using this strategy, because it's such a low cost way to acquire new customers and to get customers to purchase your product. And it is going to be this way for, the next year or so, but after that it will start diminishing it, and it will be harder to get people onto your list. It will be harder to get people to read your messages, just like email is gone. But now is the time to get started. So yeah, I hope that you have found this video helpful, and make sure to leave a comment below to be entered in the draw to win this bundle of products here in front of me. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I look forward to speaking to you on the next one. Bye.